Ricky Cox here, Forthright Plumbing. Today we're going to swap out a hose bib. This is a boiler drain on the outside of a home. And so we've already got the water off. We've drained the building down, and now we're going to swap out this valve. So what you do is, you always want to have a pair of pliers on the pipe if you can, and then get another pair of pliers on the valve. We're going to just go ahead and get this swapped out. Okay, so we've got the old valve here, we've got the new one here, and so Jesse's already put Teflon tape on it, which is great. And then I always put a little bit of pipe dope on my threads as well, just for extra lubrication and sealing. Just a little bit of pipe dope. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna thread in. What I like to do is I usually go a half a turn to a full turn past hand tight. That's usually plenty. You need to make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, and then we just need to put a vacuum breaker on, turn the water back on, and we're all set.